Hello, in this video we're going to see step by step how you can create labels in your contact list. In order to do that, first of all, you need to start a campaign and you can do it from here or from here, the blue button. Then you have the option to create a standard campaign or one based on event triggering. We're going to create a new one. And from here that you're uploading your contact list file, we're going to do the same. We're going to upload a new contact list. You can drag and drop it from here from the browser, select your file, open it, and on the second stage, that this is the matching that you need to create your labels um, for your contacts. In case you don't have here one, we have only first name, last name, mobile, email, and country, let's say, for example, and we don't have the department. You can go here, create a new department. I will do it like this with a shortcut, and you can press the add so the new label is created and matched with your information, and you can select the type of information. This is going to be a text. Once you click it, you have the option to add whatever you want. In the same way of thinking, you can create as many labels as you want describing your customer's data.